Hello everyone, welcome to episode 25 I believe of this thing I call Project Hot Horse, my 88 Bronco rat rod. Last video I uploaded was this year, but the last time I uploaded a video of me actually working on the project was the middle of last year, I believe, 2016. So if you've been keeping track of these videos, especially the first few, you know that the car I got the front end from was a 79 Chrysler LeBaron, and it was a rust bucket. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, go ahead and click on Project Hot Horse Part 1 or Episode 1, whatever I called it at the time, and you'll see what I'm talking about. As I take apart my first car, I realized how much of a shitty rust bucket it was, and that definitely came into play when I noticed the front end. This is the shock absorber. If you notice, this piece is missing. See? This is a new one. This is missing. This piece is still stuck in the bottom of the A-arm. So, Project Hot Horse episode number 23, I believe, is when you saw me put the body on the chassis. Now, after that, I noticed something, and a lot of other people brought it to my attention, and they said, "Dan, the front end's too high up. It doesn't look right. It looks stupid." Well, yeah, I'm not gonna have it like this. I want to drop the body down. I want to cut the floor out, drop it down, do a bunch of other stuff. But the thing is, I need to take care of the front suspension before I do any of that, because if I drop this body down, do all the welding and the floor and the fabricating and all, and then I drop the front down, the body's most likely going to touch the ground. So I need to get everything situated here. Starters, I need to put the shock absorbers in, and then the torsion adjusters, I need to adjust them, bring it down where I want it. I got to do the math to see how much weight, when I put the motor in, it's going to drop even more, and then I can start on the body. But first things first, I need to take care of this. So right now I'm going to try to get that other piece of shock absorber out, try to take that one out, put the new ones in, and then adjust the torsion. There you go. Alright, there's the other end of that shock absorber. Now to put the new one in. So this guy's going to go down here. He's at the bottom, he goes there. Clean up all that rust and all. Okay. Can I turn the wheel? Okay. Alright. That'll probably help out a lot. Okay. You're going in there, right? Okay. Alright. Alright, it's gradually going up. Okay. There we go. Oh, did you have to roll all the way over there, you piece of shit? Oh. Alright. So basically the trick with these is you compress them, and then you can get it, you have that small window of time to get it where it needs it, and as it expands, it goes right where you need it to be. So that's actually like pretty freaking cool. Alright, I gotta put the bushing and the nut on the bottom of this one, and then this side's done. I just have to tighten it up, and then I have to, oh, that was my shirt ripping because of the rust. Yeah, I gotta get that one off. I'll probably do the same thing. I'll probably just cut the top off and then unbolt the bottom, but we will see. It's stuck in the bottom. Bottom of the shock absorber is stuck inside the bottom bushing. There you go. You should be loose enough to come out, buddy. Here you go, buddy. Old one. Yeah. I'll show you how I got the other one in so easily. Alright, hopefully, let's see, where am I going to be working? Yeah, hopefully you guys see this like really good. Alright, so you need a washer and a bushing on the bottom. You need one on the top. What I did on the other side is compressed. When you compress, gives you a short window to where you can stick this up here. And then get the bottom where it needs to be. Okay. There we go. Gradually the shock's going to go up. You can see it going up right now. It's rising. This goes up here, like that. Put the nut on that. And then on the bottom, bushings go on like that. Good to go. Oh, the only thing left to do is to tighten them. But yeah, the new shock absorbers are in. See if I can get a good shot of them in there. There we go. Something so new and something so old and pointless. So in my last video, where I showed this thing. This is a lamp I made out of the Broncos Motors crank. I kept the flywheel on, cleaned it all up, sort of like polished it with Scotch-Brite sanding discs, and I put this cool lamp on it. So now I got a light. I don't think I'm actually going to get to lowering the front end today. I'm kind of feeling under the weather. Plus, of course, like the first 80-degree day I choose to come out here and work on this thing, so I'm pretty hot. I have allergies, and on top of that, sweating and all. I'm just not feeling too good to go on, but at least I have some stuff I can show you guys. But I figured I'd do a walk around, seeing how it's going on basically a year since I last had this out working on it. The only ongoing rust that I'm seeing is along where the seam sealer went from factory on the firewall. That's rusting out. I'll probably put a panel inside to block the holes, paint it black so it looks like you can see through. But I'll probably just drill holes and either do like a leather tie so it looks like stitches, or just do zip tie because I don't really care. That's the only area that's basically rusting, and it's this area up here. The whole roof, because it's actually two pieces, you can see there's top and bottom. I couldn't clear coat in there, so it's just slowly rusting. I suppose I could cut the bottom of the roof out, clear everything, do rust maintenance, and then try to figure it out, but I don't know what I'm doing yet. I actually like that little bit of rust. What I'll probably do is spray some foam inside. Once again, paint it black so it looks like it's a hole, but it'll actually fill and all that. But then I'm just asking for more rust by doing that. The inside's fine. I have the two seats I might use. These are just the stock Bronco seats that I cleaned up a long time ago last year. For those of you that are wondering, the motor's not going there. I know I still have the motor mounts, and this is the subframe for the 79 and the 318 that belongs to it, but the motor's not being bolted here. So a lot of people probably thought like, oh, well, why the hell are you going to have the motor up here and have all this space? That's not happening. The motor's being put back here, and it's going to be against the firewall like a normal vehicle. The radiator and all is going to be here with the headlights and whatever else I do. So just wanted to clear that up because I have a feeling people thought that. Just like people thought I was keeping the front end of this really, really high. Well, until next time, thank you for watching these videos, whether you're on my Facebook page or you're on YouTube. If you're seeing this on YouTube, go like my Facebook page because I post stuff on there, like pictures and whatever, updates you don't get on YouTube. But every YouTube video I upload on YouTube, I also upload on the Facebook page, so everybody can be shown everything. Oh yeah. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you episode 26. I really like this truck. It's fun to work on.